For the repair of the micro-motion Viscomaster heavy fuel meter by Emerson, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use a multimeter, diesel, and input 24 VDC, and output 4 to 20 mA and a tester that measures the viscosity of the fuel. We place the Viscomaster heavy fuel meter in the fuel and measure its viscosity in order to check if our device is properly functioning. Then we test the second output and we see the results at our multimeter. It is now clear that the micro-motion Viscomaster heavy fuel meter by Emerson is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.